Good morning, children. Hope you have completed 10.1. Today we are starting this basics of 10.2 exercise. So first we'll learn angles subtended by a chord or an arc at a point. Suppose if we are given three known collinear points A, B. AB is a line segment and C is a point not on this line segment AB. If we join CA and CB, then this angle C is called angle subtended by line segment AB. Clear? Suppose if we are given CD, these are 2 points and there is a point E. If we join EC and ED, then angle E is subtended by line segment CD. Clear? So similarly we can say this in circle. If this AB is chord of a circle, this AB is given a chord of a circle, then we can say this point C is any point in the interior of circle. AB is a chord, so angle C is subtended by chord AB. Or similarly you can say angle subtended by an arc as well. If this PQ is an arc of a circle and there is any point R, join PR and RQ, then this angle R is subtended by arc PQ. Clear? The angle subtended by a chord or an arc at a point. Simple. जो भी एंड पॉइंट्स हैं कोड के उनको गिवन पॉइंट से ज्वाइन करो, देन जो भी एंगल फॉर्म होगा दिस एंगल इज सबटेंडेड बाय कोड AB और यू कैन से RAB. The next two theorems are based on this concept. We are starting theorems. First is 10.1 theorem. You have to solve this in your copy. Equal chords of a circle subtend equal angles at the center. Equal chords of a circle. A circle is given. This is over center of the circle. If two equal chords are given, A, B and C, D. These are two equal chords and you have to prove that these equal chords subtend equal angle at the center. To join endpoints of chords to the center. So this angle AOB, this is subtended by chord AB, and angle COD is subtended by chord CD. And you have to prove that these two angles are equal. Now this is angle 1 and this angle is 2. Given is in circle COR. This stands for circle COR. C for circle, here O is center and R is radius of the circle. COR. C for circle, O is center and R is radius of this given circle. So in circle COR, chord AB is equal to CD. This is given in the circle chord AB and CD are equal. And to prove, you have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2. ये प्रूव करना है AB और CD equal आर्क्स जो एंगल सबटेंड किए एंगल 1 and 2 these are equal. So to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Construction. Join OC, OD OD, OA and OB. Now proof. You have to prove angle 1 is equal to 2. If we prove these two triangles are congruent, if we prove angle, this triangle AOB and COD, these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT we can say these angles are equal. So we will prove in triangle AOB and triangle COD, OA is equal to OC. OA is radius, OC is also radius. So OA and OC are equal because these are radii of same circle. Similarly, we can say OB is equal to OD. These are also radii, and this AB is equal to CD. Given here AB and CD chords are equal. This is given. So by SSS, therefore by triple S criteria, we can say triangle AOB is congruent to triangle COD. And we know if two triangles are congruent, then their corresponding parts are equal. So angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPC. And triangle AOB, triangle COD, these are congruent. So their corresponding part, angle 1 is equal to angle 2. So this is proof of theorem 10.1. Now theorem 10.2, converse of this theorem is given. This says if the angles subtended by the chords of a circle at the center are equal, then the chords are equal. Converse of this theorem is given. Here angles are given equal and you have to prove that chords are equal. So in triangle, in circle COR, you can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. This is given. And we have to prove chord AB is equal to CD. Construction same, join OA, OB, OC and OD. Now if you have to prove AB is equal to CD, same again, if we prove these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT we can say these line segments are equal. So again we are proving triangle AOB and triangle COD. OA is equal to OC, radii. OB is equal to OD, radii. And third we are given angles subtended by the chords are equal. Angle 1 is subtended by chord AB and angle 2 is subtended by chord CD. ये given है. If angles subtended by the chords at the center are equal, then prove that chords are equal. So angle 1 and angle 2 are equal. This is given. Now by which criteria? Side, angle, side. Therefore by SAS criteria of congruency, we can say AOB is congruent to COD if these two triangles are congruent. So by CPCT we can say this line line segment AB is equal to CD by CPCT. Hence we have proved if angles subtended by chords at center are equal, then the chords are equal. And in 10.1 we proved that if the chords are equal, then they subtend equal angle at the center. If angles are equal, then the chords are equal. Clear? Now exercise 10.2. This is based on these two theorems. First question is, recall that two circles are congruent if they have same radii. Two circles are congruent, figures are same size and same shape. Two circles are congruent, जब उनको एक दूसरे के ऊपर रखें तो वो exactly कवर करें, और ये तभी पॉसिबल है जब दोनों की रेडियस इक्वल हो. तो two circles are congruent if their radii are same, equal radii. question is prove that equal chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at their centers. In theorems we prove, see, only one circle was given and we are to prove either chords are equal or angles are equal. Now we are given two circles. Two congruent circles are given and we are to prove that if two congruent circles have equal chords, then they subtend equal angle at the center. So we are given two congruent circles. Congruent circles, that means circles with same radius. This is circle C1, first circle. One more circle is given. This is circle C2. Its center is O and O dash. So we are given two circles are given. Circle C1 O R and C2 O dash R. C1, C2, two circles are given. These circles are congruent. Congruent, that means they have same radius. So that's why we are writing radius R and center O and O dash. Centers are different because these are not co-centric. Two circles with different centers. So first center is O and second center is O dash. But they are congruent, so their radii are same, equal, R and R. Now we are given in these two concentric, these congruent circles, equal chords. Chords are given equal. Let this AB is the chord of first circle and CD is the chord of second circle. In circle C1 and C2, AB is equal to CD. AB and CD two equal chords are given. And you have to prove they subtend equal angle at the center. To prove, if we join OA, OB, then this angle 1 is subtended by a chord AB, and if we join OC and OD, then this angle 2 is subtended by, O dash C and O dash D. Then angle 2 is subtended by a chord CD. We are to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Okay. So these circles are given congruent, chords are given equal, and we have to prove angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Again, same concept. If we prove these two triangles are congruent, then by CP/CT we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Construction you can write OA. Construction, join OA, OB, O dash C and O dash D. Clear? O dash is center of second circle. So proof prove that angle 1 equal to angle 2. We are taking triangles AOB and triangle CO dash D. Okay. OA is equal to CO dash. Why? These two circles are congruent and congruent circles have same radius. So OA is equal to O dash C. Radii of congruent circles. Next is, we can say BO is equal to DO dash. Same reason, OB and O dash D are radii of congruent circles. So these are equal. And third is chord AB is equal to chord CD. This is given. right side. By SSS criteria of congruency, triangle AOB is congruent to triangle CO'D. And if these two triangles are congruent, then by CPCT we can say angle 1 is equal to angle 2 by CPCT. Hence, if two circles are congruent and two chords are given equal, then these equal chords will subtend equal angle at the center. And our second question you will do yourself. In this question, again we are given chords of congruent circles subtend equal angles at their center. Prove that the chords are equal. Converse. Given here these two circles are congruent, the two chords are given. These chords are subtending equal angle at the center, and you have to prove chords are equal. That means one was given angle 1 equal to angle 2 और prove करना है AB is equal to CD. You will prove triangles are congruent, and then by CPCT you can say AB is equal to CD. So today you will complete exercise 10.2, theorem 10.1 and 10.2 doing your pair talk. Okay, take care.